Welcome back to my Power BI series. In the last video, we learned what Power BI is and how to install it. Today, we are going to explore Power BI desktop interface and understand its key components. By end of this video, you will be comfortable navigating the tool and ready to create your first report. So let's get started. Today's agenda is like Power BI desktop interface and key components like ribbon, data pane, visualization pane, and report view, and then how to import the data in Power BI. So once you open Power BI desktop, this is how your home screen will look like. Uh, so click on the blank report. So here, let me walk you through its key components. You have a ribbon here, like Excel, file, home, insert, modeling, view, optimize. So uh, under which there are multiple components and things like we will be using to create a report. So I'll further explain the usage of all the menus in the upcoming video. So in the left hand side, you have a report view where you will be creating and designing a report. The report view is basically what you are seeing in screen now, and the table view where you will get the rows and columns of whatever the data sets which you have imported to use, and model view is used to make relationship between multiple data sets or between multiple tables to create the visuals. And in the right hand side you have a data pane where I'll just go again to report view. So in the right hand side, you have a data pane where you will get the data which you have imported. Whatever the data sets you are importing, you will able to see the table here. And the visualization pane where you will get the data types like visuals which you want to use. Example like stacked bar chart, column chart, and clustered bar chart, pie chart, and maps and line diagram, line chart, and everything. So we'll just see how we can create a simple visual in today's video also by importing a data. Now let's bring some data into Power BI. So before that, I have a sample data which I have downloaded and saved in my PC. So I have data of supermarket sales. So I'll just go back to Power BI desktop and show you how we can import this data into Power BI desktop. So in home, like you have a get data, so you will have multiple data source options which you can select. So first, let me start with the Excel workbook because I have a sample data which is in CSV format. So let the data get imported. So click on load. Yeah, so once the data is loaded, you will see it in the field pan from where we can start building visualization. So as I said earlier, like the data, whatever data which you are importing, you will be able to see in this pan. Like what are the columns which is available in the data sets like brand, city, customer type, date, gender, cross income. So everything, the column headers will be visible here to make any visuals in this Power BI. So, and as I said, like the table in the table view, you will able to see all the rows and columns of the particular data set which you have imported. So, let's create a simple bar chart by dragging some data from the available data set. Like, let me select clustered column chart. So once you click on any visuals, you will have like the particular visual appearing in this canvas, and you will have x-axis, y-axis values, which will be asking you to put the data to create a visual. So, for example, let me just create put x-axis at city and y- y-axis as quantity. So, in quantity, I am just putting sum of quantity procured or purchased by cities, and I just need legend of like product line. So this is simple. Like Power BI just created a visual for you with the data set available with you. Like it is an comparison of like by cities, how much is the quantity you sold under each product line. Uh, So you can resize the chart, like maybe in like when you work in a project, like you will have to keep multiple charts, or it depends. So based on that, you will resize, or you can drag and reposition it and add a title if required. So that in the upcoming videos, I'll just take you through. Uh, the other things like how we can do the data labeling of visuals which you have created and add title and format changes, everything. So that's it for today's video. Now you know how to navigate Power BI and import data. In the next video, we'll explore different Power BI visuals and how to make your reports more interactive. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So if you have any questions, drop in a comment box and like and share if you found this video helpful. So see you in the next video until then.